Okay, here we go. We got a little circle here. Circle. Okay. What do we know about a circle? It is 360 degrees around it, just like this. But when we talk about radians, it's what? 2 pi. Like this. 2 pi. Yay! Okay. So now let's start dividing this pi in different sections or pieces. Okay. So look at this. Look at this. Oh, I just divided this whole thing in half, right? So this represents pi. Yep, because pi is half of 2 pi. Yeah, okay. Let's start dividing it even more. What if I divide it in half like this? I just divided this guy in half, so I have pi over 2. Yay! Okay. What if I go down here now? Kind of confusing already, right? All these lines. Well, look at this. This is pi over 2. That's half. That's 90 degrees, right? Hey, I'll even write that here for you. That's 90 degrees like this. I wish it was 90 degrees. Now I'm so cold. Okay. And like we said earlier, this is half of 2 pi. 2 pi is 360 degrees, so half of it would be 180. If it was 180 degrees, we'd be dead. Okay. Now look, I'm going up 90, another 90. Oh, another 90. Okay, so this will be pi over 2 up here. And then this is technically 2 pi over 2. Like that. Okay, so then if you cross it out, that's how we get pi here. But then if I add another pi over 2 here, I get 3 pi over 2s. Ooh, that'll be what? Let's add those together. 90 plus 90 is 180, plus another 90 is this. What is it? It would be 270 degrees. Yay! But oh, wait. There's more. Let's keep dividing things in half. Arrgh. Okay. So now divide this in half. Okay. So in terms of degrees, if I divide this guy in half, how much do I have? Oh, 3, let's carry the 2. 45 degrees. Yay! Okay. Now let's go ahead and divide this guy in half. So what I have here is what? Pi over 2, but I want half of it. So I get pi over 4. That's my radians here. Ha. So let's continue with this. Over here now. All right? So now look, if I'm going up here, let's do this. I'll go up here 45 degrees. I'll go up here another 45 degrees. That gives me 90 pi over 2. What about another 45 degrees all the way over there? Okay. Just add 45 degrees to this guy here, 90. So I get here and carry the 3. Oh, it's 135 degrees. Now let's find the radians. So here, that's pi over 4 here. I add another, what? Pi over 4 here, right? That's how I get pi over 2. Let's add another pi over 4 here. What do I get? 1, 2, 3. 3 pi's over 4 here. Yay! Now look, if I continue going another pi over 4, then I'll have 4 pi over 4 here. Cross it out, and that's how I get pi here. You see that? So easy. Let's keep going. Yay! Boom, look at that. I'm going to go ahead and add another pi over 4. There it is. Pi over 4. If this was 4 pi over 4, how much would that be? Let's see, carry the 4. 5 pi over 4. Whoa. Keep going. Add another what? Pi over 4. Carry the 4. Oh, it's going to be 6 pi over 4. But wait, can I reduce that? I sure can, buddy. This actually reduces to 3 pi over 2, which is the same thing as this guy right here. We ain't done yet, brother. One more, right? Boom. So just in case you didn't notice, These are all being divided in half. So look, I have, go up again, another pi over 4. So if this was 6 pi over 4, let's add it up and see, carry the 3. Oh, 7 pi over 4, boy. Woo! And then another pi over 4 would give me 2 pi. So now let's go over what we have here. So, okay, so we started with 45 degrees. And then we went to 90 degrees. And then we went to 135 degrees. And then we went to, 180. And then up we kept going. What? What would this one be? Again, if I add another pi over 4, that's 180 plus 45. What would that be? Carry the 4. Oh, 220. Ooh. And then, it goes down to 270. And then add another pi over 4. Add another 45 to this big boy right here. Okay, let's see. Carry the 4 and 315 degrees. And then that takes us all the way back to 360 when we add another 45. Now let's see. Okay, look at our radians. What would they be? This we said was pi over 4. This would be pi over 2. This would be 3 pi over 4. This would be pi. This would be 5 pi over 4. This would be, 3 pi over 2. This one would be, 7 pi over 4. And this last one would be 2 pi. Yum.